So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. In today's class, we will learn basics of circuit and controlled LED bulb through coding. So let's remember the step. Laptop sends coding to Nano, and Nano give. So this is our algorithm of blinking lights. So the first step is take one male-to-male jumper wire and put it on J12 and take one LED bigger like 2 J10 to negative. So the second step is let's upload the code.